Did you know that your idea has the potential to change the world? Here is a quote from Pablo Picasso. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once you grow up. Okay, but what if you don't have an engineering degree? This is the first idea that you have ever developed on your own, and you were never exposed to a manufacturing environment before. So you probably feel overwhelmed, and you don't know the steps to follow to transform your idea into a viable product. Maybe you have read some blogs or taken some basic courses, but you realize how complicated the process is and you feel unprepared to pursue it on your own. You don't know anyone with the technical skills to help you, or even which skills to look for in the first place. You feel lost and wondering whether you should continue or abandon your dream. Archimedes once said, "Give me a lever long enough and I could move the world." So what you need is to understand the steps to follow and the resources that you will require to develop your product. Because a well-structured project will help you get investment to develop and build your product. With the right technical advice, you will be able to validate your idea through early prototypes, verify and document the technical feasibility of your solution, and set up the manufacturing strategy and requirements with the suppliers to start mass production. Having confidence in the technical viability of your product will let you focus on building your business and delivering value to your customers. That confidence is what we deliver at Abilista. We offer a fully structured step-by-step process to take your idea from concept to mass production, so you can focus on what you do best. And remember, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So I invite you to learn more at our site, abilista.com, and reach us if you are ready to start your project now. You can also follow us on our social media for more insights on how to get started with your project.